Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatode from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily summarize information when you have it in this format. For instance, if you look at the names and the skills that each of these names are possessed, you can see there's some kind of repetition in this name. And it's possible that you have this kind of information and you want to bring them together. For instance, now you can see that I have faith here. If you don't know how to do it, some people will just be doing it manually like this. The faith skill, she knows Excel, put Excel like this, command. Then another thing, you look at it manually, Power BI. Faith also has Power BI scale. What is other thing that Faith also possess? You look down, then you can see that she also has the SQL knowledge. Now you put SQL like this, SQL. You can see it. Then you have to do it for the other guys, Mansuro, then until you reach the last person. And if you think of time that you can spend on this, you can see that it will waste you a lot of time, and it won't make your work more efficient, and you will not also be more productive. But there's a way of doing this without wasting your time. Even if you have a million information, you can easily do this, and if you had another information, you will have your result. Now, the first thing I need to do here is I need the unique name, okay, so that I will know the total number of this, let's say the student or the applicant that apply for a particular role, and you want to see the skills which they possess. Okay, you just make use of unique function like this. Then you make array of all these guy down. Okay, in case maybe you think you want to add him on, you can go ahead like this. Now you will just uh, press the enter button. You can see that I have it, but I have zero here and I don't want to show this zero. Okay, I've done a video on this where you can eliminate any null value, because Excel has see all this empty as zero. That is why we have zero here. And to do that, you just need to come back to this your formula. Then after this colon, after this colon, then just put dot. Okay, connect the dot. I told you in the previous video that you can also make use of trim ring, but this is simpler. You press enter button, you can see that I've get rid of that cell easily. Now let's move to the tasks. What we want to do here, I've shown you the manual way of doing it, but to do it and makes it automated, you just need to come here. You just need to make use of filter. I told you the other time that this filter, guys, okay, is very vital function in Microsoft Excel, which you can use to achieve or solve a lot of problems. What is our array? My array start from here. Okay, start from this very first guy. Then you make them down maybe up to 18 as I did for the other guy. Okay, filter, command. Now, what is the next thing that we need here is the condition. Then I also want you to look at all this. Okay, once you look at all this again, you look at all sorry, you move to the name. I want to use the name, okay, to filter the solution for this. Then you just need to move down, then up to this guy again. Then if it is equal to any of this name, you pick this name. Then I want the result. You can press enter. Now you can see what we have. We have Excel, Power BI, and SQL, and this is for faith. As you can see it, when we did it manually, okay, you can bring the video back and see how we did it manually, or you cross check it. But I don't want my result in this format. I want everything in this single cell. Then you will now modify this formula and put another function into play, which is Textjoin. We can now make use of Textjoin. We make use of this Textjoin. Then what is our delimiter? Then I come here, my delimiter, I want to use a command as my delimiter. Okay, you just put command here to set command and space to separate them. command and space so that it can give it some kind of space. Then you put command after the quotation, comma here. Then I want you to ignore any empty. Okay, if I have any empty, you can ignore it. You put another command. Okay, then what is the first text? My first text is this guy. Okay, I want you to combine all these together. Then you can just press enter button. Help me to close the bracket. You can see that we have Excel, Power BI, and SQL. And if you check it manually, as I said, you can see that we have result. I can just autofill it down, and you can see that I'll be able to summarize the script processed by each of these candidates. Okay, let's assume that let me see. Okay, let me come here, let me put Stella here. Stella. Okay, you can see let's put Stella, then let's say is equal to this, or let's say Stella has now developed Excel as SQL skill. Let me put SQL, then you press enter button. You can see that for Stella now, it has automated, okay, from the base from the source data, and you can see from the output it has turned to SQL. As we can see it, you can see how beautiful Microsoft Excel is. If you know how to do if you know how to make use of it very well, Excel can do some kind of unthinkable for you. I believe that you have learned two or more from this video. If you have done so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and therefore to do so, that is only price you can pay for all this knowledge. Till next time we meet, I remain Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.